Gonna go for a ride in your car?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Did you fall?
Yeah.
There goes Clodagh. Are you on the road yet, Clodagh? Yeah. Where are you going to?
California.
You go to California?
We're in Spansville Hill.
You're in Spansville Hill. It's a long way from Spansville Hill to California, isn't it? What are you doing? Can we see your pop-pop that Santa brought?
To the gas station.
Yeah?
The gas station. That's how I put my kitten for the kitten.
Oh, is that the spot for the kitten? What goes in there?
The nest.
Okay.
The thing is I run out of gas. The kitten pulls it.
Okay, you don't want to run out of gas, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
We're
good.
in spaceships.
You're in spaceships, that's what they are.
So they can fly. We're flying in the air right now.
Ah, I see.
So we're going to fly over the sea to California.
Oh, good.
Oh, no,
Where are you going, Alva? Is that a spaceship?
Yeah. He is going to
Where?
Australia.
Australia?
Yeah.
That's a long way away, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're both going in different directions, is that right?
Yeah.
One's going to California and one's going to Australia.
The visit in here is like so good juice that I like.
Oh, good. Gives you energy, does it? You got your soda juice as well? Is that delicious? Let's look at